From the bottom, legs together, arms overhead, ready for a modified roll-up. We inhale to lift the head and the chest up. Exhale, pull in the center and curl that spine up. You can even grab the back of your thigh to assist you to come up into that C curve. In breath. Exhale, we roll back again. Get the sacrum down to the floor, lower back on the floor, and take the arms overhead. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, continue, come up over the pelvis. In breath, find length through the spine. Exhale, we roll down. If that was not a problem for you, you can straighten the legs with me. Inhale, we lift. Exhale, we curl up and over into that C curve. In breath. Exhale, we roll back, sacrum down, lower back down, and take the arms overhead. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, curl up and over, C curve, stay. Now, curl back just about 20 degrees, bend the knees, grab the ankle or just above the ankle for rolling like a ball. Use the arms, lock the shape, take the feet off, balance, and we roll back. Inhale. Exhale, another exercise that I do every single day to set myself for today. Exhale. And really work the arms so you can lock the shape. Pressing the feet to that bottom. Two more. In breath. Exhale. Last one. In breath. Exhale. Stay balanced. Point the feet lower down. Open the knee out to the side. Lifting the spine up tall. Elongate the spine. Open the chest. Maybe can we take our spine into a slight high release here, slight extension as we breath. And exhale. And released. All right, legs in a diamond position here. Hands behind the head, lifting tall. Double breath, rotate to me. Spine twist. Inhale, center. Other side. Inhale, center. And center. And center. Two more sets. Last set. Last one. And center. Arm open to the T positioned. Side. Stretch over to your right. Keep the arm long. And then from here, we're going to slide the top arm over to the other side. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. And side bend. And exhale, we slide. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. Inhale, side bend. Exhale, slide. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back up. Last one. Inhale, side bend. Exhale, slide. Inhale, open. And come back up. And release. Okay, face me. Bend the knees. Little side bridges here. Forearm down, align the elbow and the shoulder. Tuck the feet together, knees together, feet aligned with the pelvis. Chest is open. Pick up the underneath waist. Take an in breath. Exhale, we lift. Strong in the center. In breath. Exhale, press down, we lift. In breath. Two more times. And lift. In breath. Last one, lift. And release. Sit up. Lift the bottom arm up. And side bend over to the side, the left side. And release. Switch. Forearm down. Legs together. Stack the legs. Elbow underneath the shoulder. Lifting the underneath waistline. Top arm by the side. Let's go. Lift up. In breath. And two. In breath. Two more. In breath. Last one. And down. Come up. Underneath arm comes up. Reach up tall. Side bend over to your right. And release. Onto our belly for the back extension. an important exercise. Important. Now, legs are long together. Arms long by the side of your thigh here. Lower the chest, hover. We glide the shoulder blades down. We have the legs active here, reaching away from the pelvis. And then we lift the upper back, the middle back off the floor. Neck is long. Exhale, we come down. Again, we inhale to lift. Exhale. And inhale to lift. Exhale. We spend so much time rounding our back here. This is such a crucial exercise to create more balance in our posture. 2 more, lift. Exhale. Last one, lift. Up. And release. Bend the elbows. Push the floor away, round the back. Quick rest position. Sit down on the heels. And then come back up to a quadruped position. And then we are done. Align the shoulder and the wrist. Align the knee and the center of your hip. Take a deep breath here. As we breathe out, I want you to pick up the abdominal. Go in and up in the abdominal and release. Now I want you to tuck the toes under. And then do that again. Exhale. Draw in the corset muscle. Push down off the floor. And then here, press the hands, press the toes. Float the knees off. Strong, long back. Stay there in breath. Exhale, come on down. Let's do it 2 more times. Exhale. Abdominal is set. And then press off the floor. Stay in. And then come on down. Last one. Let's stay here for 10 counts. Breathe in. Exhale. Press away. Lift the belly and stay. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Release the ankles. Sit the pelvis back. Stretch your arms forward. Take a deep inhalation here. And exhale. Release down and let's roll the spine up, up, up. Well done, well done. Just a quick flow mat to get your body set for the day. And remember, you can do this every single day to make your day wonderful. All right, I'll see you back on the mat tomorrow. Take care.